Welcome to Nimi's EduHelp, an educational platform to study maths friendly, easily and efficiently.
A great teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Let's start our journey.
Welcome to all my kids. Today we are going to study a new method for subtraction. Instead of borrowing, here in this method, we are giving a support to the small number on the top by writing number 1 on the left side of the small number. Let's start. Subtract 75 from 100. So in the case of subtraction, after from, what is coming, that we will write it first. Here 100 we will write first and arrange the another number, unit place under unit place, 10th place under 10th place. Now we are going to do the subtraction. If you look at here on the top unit place, it is small. So we have to make it big by providing number 1 to the left side of that number. So here it is 0. We are providing number 1 to the left side, then it will be 10. So from the 5, I have to reach to 10. I need 5 more number. Whenever I am providing the number 1 to the top number, I have to add that number with the next bottom number. Here bottom number is, next bottom number is 7. So 7 plus 1, it is 8. From the 8, I have to look at the top. Top number is small. So what I have to do, I have to give 1 to the left side. So again it is number 10 now. So from the 8, I have to reach to 10. I need 2 more numbers. Whenever I am giving number 1 to the top number, what I have to do, I have to add with the next bottom number. No, here next bottom number is empty, that means it is 0. So 0 plus 1, that means it is 1. Up and down same number is coming, that means here it will give 0. No, so our answer is what? 100 minus 75. Our answer is 25. Next, subtract 148 from 309. After from, what is coming, that we will write first, no? So in this case, we will write 309 first. Then we will arrange 148 down. Unit place under unit place, 10th place under 10th place, 100 place under 100 place. Now we are going to do the subtraction. When you look at the unit place on the top, it is bigger than the bottom unit place. So that means no need to provide 1 to the left side to make it big. It is already big. So from the 8, I have to reach to 9. I need 1 more number. Then if you look at the 10th place, top number is small. So we have to help him to make it big. So I am providing 1 on the left side. Then this number will become what? 10. So from the 4, I have to reach to 10. I need what? 6 more number. Whenever I am giving the number 1 to the top, I have to add with the next bottom number. Here next bottom number is 1. So 1 plus 1, now this number is what? 2. From the 2, I have to reach to 3. That means I need 1 more number. So our answer is what? 161. That means 309 minus 148, that is equal to what? 161. Now, next. Subtract 99
Welcome to Nimi's EduHelp, an educational platform to
1010.
study maths friendly,
So after
easily and
from,
efficiently.
what is coming? That
A
we
great
will write
teacher takes
first
a
in the
hand,
case of
opens a mind and
subtraction,
touches a
So I
heart.
write first 1010. After that, I arrange the other number, unit place under unit place, 10 place under 10 place. Now I am going to do the subtraction. If you look at the top unit number, it is small when you compare with the down unit number. So that means we have to make it big. I provide 1 to make it big on the left side. So now this is 10. So from the 9 to 10, I need one more number. Whenever I am providing the 1 to the top number, I have to add with the next bottom number. So next bottom number here it is 9. So 9 plus 1, it is 10. From the 10, if I look at the top number, again it is small. So I have to make it big by writing 1 to the left side. So now that number is 11. So from the 10, I have to reach to 11. I need one more number. Whenever I am giving 1 to the top number, I have to add with the next bottom number. Here next bottom number is empty. That means it is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. From 1, if I look at the top number is small. So I have to make it big by providing the number 1 to the left. Now that number is 10. From 1 to 10, I need 9 more number. Whenever I am providing the number 1 to the top number, I have to add with the next bottom number. No, here next bottom number is what? Nothing. It is empty. So that means it is 0. 0 plus 1, 1, up and down same number is coming. That means it is 0. So our answer is what? 911. So from 1010, if you subtract 99, you will get what? 901. If you practice few more problems, you can see that the subtraction is very simple and easy. Bye. See you soon.